poor view of the government of Anambra State. So whatever be the reason, the IG should remove Anambra State from the list, because this place is the most secure state in this country, and we don't want anything that will destabilize the current security that we enjoy.
Okay, distinguished senator, 1 week from now, there will be a handover whereby the governor will be sworn in for the second time in office. What's your assessment about these 4 years that he has spent as a governor?
Well, it is necessary.
And your expectation?
It is necessary that the governor will be sworn in as required by the Constitution to commence the second term. But if you have looked at Governor Obiano, you see that there's no difference between first term and second term. He has continued to work. In fact, he's working harder now than even before. So we expect that when he takes out of office next Saturday, Anambra people will be very happy. But there will be no slowing down in the progress of government. In fact, right now, the governor is working like somebody who is seeking re-election. I see him every day in the news, going right to inspect road projects, where roads are being asphalted and the rest of it. The only person you can find doing this out is somebody who is facing re-election, and he has been re-elected. So the unanimous mandate given to him by Anambra has fired the governor on, and there's no slowing down. In the next 4 years, there is no doubt that Obiano will be celebrated in history.